Let's get it, guys. I am the boss wolf. Not much is going on tonight, though. But the whole point is to this video, I want to talk to you about some certain things that I want to talk about. Number one, I watched a video on Storyfire, and some dude said that Jesse Ridgway's video was fake. I don't like people saying that to a YouTuber because, number one, how do you know that he is faking a video? I watch his videos on Storyfire and on YouTube. Plus, how can somebody fake a video if he is living with his brother? Two, that guy came back. Tony from the Mafia came into Jesse's house and swearing, stuff like that. And guess who pops up? Psycho Dad. Now, everyone knows Jesse Ridgway's father is known as Psycho Dad, but he has a real name. Jeff Ridgway. To me, he is a normal human being. And why does everybody want to come to his place of residence and say, "Hey, Psycho Dad"? That's not his name. He was not born as Psycho Dad. People have real names, you know. Everyone knows who I am, so Jay Potter, right? But in this video, I am the boss wolf. So, anyways, it's like in every video that I have seen, every comment section from Storyfire, from YouTube, you guys keep saying to Jesse, your video's fake. To me, that's an insult. Why do you want to insult a famous YouTuber by saying that their videos are fake? Example, me. I do not fake videos. You know why? Because all day long I had like 11 emails that popped in about the Thunder, my local hockey team. And I got news for you guys. Jacob Reichert got traded to the Jacksonville Icemen. No joke. That's real. For me, I tell you what's going on with my local hockey team because I want to. Sometimes I do other videos like this one, video game stuff, you know. But the whole point is this: like, to me, my videos are important to me. I work on these night and day through my head. Will I do a vlog today? Will I talk about the Adirondack Thunder? Will I talk about a video game? Will I talk about Black Sabbath? Will I talk about Kiss? You know, Gene Simmons, Paul Stanley, those guys. But the way that I do it is I will get a concept. The concept will be about Black Sabbath. The idea is to talk about what they did in 1970. That's what I do. If I don't think of if I do not think of anything, I do not do a YouTube video. If I think of something, I do it. But that's the whole thing. People love to insult other people in their YouTube videos. I can name you one person. Me. I don't like to be insulted on YouTube. It's not right, guys. If you are a loyal Wolfpack member, you need to be a part of this group. Groups. You don't insult the boss. If you know what, here's a good situation for you. If you got a job and your boss comes in and wants you to do something, why will you insult him? Right on the spot, that boss will fire you. Now, like for me, for example, if I was working for a company and I was the boss, and if, for an example, let's say Nick Regenis comes in and he's mouthing off, wants to play basketball or something like that, I go, oh, I'm sorry, Nick. Come back to work. I'll give you one warning. If you don't come in, you're fired. See my point? I used to work. I'm not going to tell you where. This was back in the early 90s. Well, I can tell you a little bit of it, but I'm not going to where I worked. Let's put it this way: I worked in excuse me, I worked in media. If you read the newspaper, I will put down information about a car accident, what location where it was, people involved. I will put that information in a computer. That's what I did. I used to go to work from 12 o'clock. Like, I'll get out of school early. I'll have my lunch at school. Right? And I'll eat not as fast, but I want to be on time. So I will go home, get cleaned up, brush my teeth and stuff, and be appropriately. Then I go to my work. I worked until 3 o'clock. Well, not 3, but like 2. I go back after I got done with everything. I do a side job just for me, the hockey stuff. Because when I used to come into work, the first thing that I would do, I'll go to my mailbox. I had over 10 press releases for the American Hockey League, the hockey news. So I would know what is going on each day at work for the hockey stuff. And I kept it. Because that was important to me. And but here's the thing. Back in 95, I lost my job. You know why? My boss didn't tell me, my boss told me they did not need me, right? And he said, he told me, so they are changing technology. Digital, yeah, digital cameras took my job over. Got my pay. Talked a little bit before I left. I had to wait for a ride. I'm not going to tell you who and why. But I had to go back to school because this was where I used to work. Um, it was it's kind of hard to say, but I don't really want to tell you where. That is the problem, and I don't mind not telling you, but that's not important. But that's what I did. But that's what I'm saying. But I did not get I did not get booted. I did not get fired. Camels took my job over, so they had let me go. That's fine. But that's the thing. Like, that's what I'm saying. I had a boss. I report to him, but he wasn't, he was nice and stuff, and every day I got my work done. I had a stack of photographs that I had to put the information in. I had about this much. I could not get everything done in one day. I had to come back the next day during school hours. You know, that's the thing. But here's the thing for you: don't insult. Do not insult anyone. That's not nice. I never do that on this channel because most of the stuff I'm telling you, I tell the whole truth. But yeah. So, favorite, like, and share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications, turn on everything else. Put on your house bells, be informed with every video. I am the boss, Wolf. Now, you guys don't work for me. But if you did, and I be your boss, do not insult the boss. And that's me.